Hi, my name is Mrs. Knauf, and today I'm going to show you how to access my band website, as well as how to find the beginning band method book that we're going to use this year that can be downloaded and printed for free. So let's get started. First, you're going to open your browser, and you are going to type in noble.nhcs.net, which you can find right here. And once you get to Noble Middle School's school website, you're going to go to Faculty and Staff. And you're going to click on that link, and you're going to come down to where it says Career Tech and Arts Education. And you click there, and here is the link to my website. So you're going to click on my name, and there's also my email address that you can always send me a message that way. So we're going to go to my website, and I'm going to come over here real quick. There are two ways that you can access our new method book. So one is to go to the Documents link and just click on that. And then here we've got Beginning Band Books 2020 to 2021. And these are books from Matthew Provino at Sierra Vista Middle School in California. And you click on your instrument, whether it's flute, clarinet, trumpet, or trombone. And once you click on your instrument, it'll pull up the PDF file for your method book. The other way to get to the same information is to go to grade level bands, click on beginning band, and it'll take you there as well. So we're going to scroll down a little bit, beginning band method book, and again you can click flute, clarinet, trumpet, or trombone. In another video, I'm going to show you how to actually get started on the first few lines in your chosen book. So I hope this video series will be helpful, and I look forward to meeting you soon.